Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to use Wonder Pick in a Pokemon TCG Pocket. In the main menu, under the regular booster pack opening button, you can find Wonder Pick there. There you can choose from a list of pack and spend 1 to 5 Wonder Stamina to randomly choose within the set of 5 cards. The rarity of the card available in the set is what determines how much Wonder Stamina will be spent. For example, a pack with a 2 card and a 4 card can cost up to 4 Wonder Stamina. After performing a Wonder Pick, you can send thanks to the player that you choose to do a Wonder Pick with, and they'll receive some shop tickets in return. Wonder Pick is a separate pulling mechanic where you can get 1 of 5 cards from a booster pack that was opened by another player. They won't lose that card, but you can just get a copy for yourself, make it easy to nab a chase card. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.